Hello everyone, I'm Zerkaser. Welcome to the lesson, Laws of Integral Indices. So let's look at some laws that we have to memorize. Firstly, what is a power? So we'll have a base number and the exponent. The exponent is also named as index or power. So this one is totally 5 to the power of 2. And then different laws include product rule, which means when they have the same base and their power are different. A to the power of n times a to the power of n, it equals to a to the power of n plus n. And then the quotient rule, if you have a to the power of n divided by a to the power of n, it equals to a to the power of n minus n. Because a is a denominator here, so a cannot be 0. And then the power rule, a to the power of m and then to the power of n equals to a to the power of m times n. And then the power of product rule, if we have ab to the power of n, so inside the bracket, ab is the product. And then it equals to a to the power of n times b to the power of n. And then the power of quotient rule, inside the bracket, there is a quotient, right? So a over b to the power of n equals to a to the power of n over b to the power of n. And then because b is the denominator, so b cannot be 0. And then let's look at how to solve a question using all of these laws. Okay, there is the question. If we have negative 2 mn to the power of 2 and then to the power of 3, how to simplify it? So firstly, let's look at this one. Because we'll have the format of something's product then to a power. So this one we will use the power of product rule. If we have ab to the power of n, it will equal to a to the power of n and b to the power of n. And for this one, we can understand this one as abc to the power of n. So this one will equal to a to the power of n times b to the power of n times c to the power of n. And let's look at what are the letters. For a, it will be negative 2. For b, it will be n. For c, it will be n to the power of 2. So this one totally equals to negative 2 to the power of 3 times n to the power of 3 times n to the power of 2 then to the power of 3. This is according to the power of product rule. And then what is negative 2 to the power of 3? It equals to negative 8. And m to the power of 3 is just m to the power of 3. And n to the power of 2 to the power of 3, we're going to use the power rule. A to the power of m, then to the power of n equals to a to the power of mn. So for n to the power of 2, then to the power of 3, it equals to n to the power of 6. So this one is the final answer for this question. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.